Given that this is true, find the values of a, b, and c. So first of all, I'm going to expand this right-hand side and simplify that a little bit. So I've got ax squared, bx, and c on one part of my grid method, and then I've got x plus 3 on the side. Gives me ax cubed, bx squared, cx, and then 3ax squared, 3bx, and 3c. Now, by equating coefficients, I know that this expansion has to be equal to this. So doing this one step at a time, first of all, I have 4x cubed. The only way I'm getting an x cubed out of this expansion is ax cubed there. So that means that a has to be equal to 4 immediately. Next, we're going to look at the constant term. I've got plus 15 there, and the only way I'm getting a constant term is the 3 times by the c, which means that 3c has to be equal to 15 by equating those constant terms, which means c has to be equal to 5. So a is 4, c is 5, now I need to find b. I can choose either one of the remaining ones to do b. I'm going to do the x squareds, plus 10x squareds, and I know that that has to be equal to those number of x squareds, which means 3a plus b has to be equal to 10. Given that we already know a is equal to 4, that means we have 12 plus b is equal to 10, which means b is equal to -2. As a quick check, I'm going to use the x1s here. 3b plus c is -6 plus 5 is -1. So I have -1x here, and indeed I have -1x here as well. Now, I've done that check in my head, but it's a quick way just to confirm that I haven't made any silly mistakes that go through this process, because if that is correct, it's highly likely I have got the answers correct.